Having lived most of my life in Southern California, this is how fall looked, or pretty much how every season looked for that matter, which is why upon moving to Colorado, I experienced fall in a totally new way. Multitudes of colors were everywhere. Like a double rainbow, I had no idea what it all meant. Why did the trees change colors? And why did only some of the trees change colors while others appeared to be happy with the look they were sporting the rest of the year? So I did what I usually do, reach out to someone smarter than me for the answers. And luckily, I found the perfect person.
I'm Jennifer Ackerfield, Head Curator of Natural History Collections and Associate Director of Biodiversity Research here at Denver Botanic Gardens.
Love that.
That was much better than Denver Botanic Gardens. I ran out of breath. The reason that leaves change colors in the fall is actually really cool. Everything that the plant needs for all of the different colors are already present in the leaf year-round. But what we see, for the most part, are these green leaves because the leaves are reflecting this chlorophyll, this pigment in the leaf. And the chlorophyll is green. And there's a lot of chlorophyll in leaves. And because plants need chlorophyll in order to perform photosynthesis. So that's how they get their energy. That's how, they release oxygen into the environment. They have to have that chlorophyll to get those nutrients that they need to survive. Well, when the fall hits, the days start to get shorter and it kind of triggers something in a plant. And they say, hey, you know what? I think it's time to lose our leaves. And so they start to withdraw that chlorophyll from the leaf. And in doing so, what happens is the other pigments that are actually already present in the leaf are now visible. And so that's when we get these brilliant golds and yellows and reds. And those are because those different pigments are now visible. In the fall, when you look out on the landscape, right, in the mountains, you'll see like it's kind of a mosaic, right? Some of the aspen are yellow, some are green, others are orange, and they form these kind of big patches like that. And why? It's actually really cool. Aspen are what we call clonal. So they have these root suckers that go below ground and kind of branch out and come up. So in a stand of aspen, they're all connected by these underground root suckers. They're all clones of the same tree. And so when you look out at the landscape, you see those mosaics because each clonal stand kind of changes colors all at the same time. And it's one really cool way to help delineate, oh, this is one clone, this is probably another clone because they're different colors at this time. A lot of people think that for a botanist, summer might be your favorite, spring might be your favorite, but those are really stressful months. Fall is actually so wonderful because you can sit back and relax and all the flowers are kind of finishing and the leaves are changing and it's just so relaxing and wonderful and crisp, clear blue skies, and I just love fall. Fall's the best.